Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see installed apps in Play Store tutorial. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store apps, and in here you just click on your profile icon at the top. Click on it, and then in here you can click on manage apps and device. And then in here you can see your storage, and in here you can see your apps need updates. But if you wanna see install apps in your Play Store, so you just click on manage at the top, click on it, and in here you can see the apps that in your phones, and this is the installed app. But if you wanna see your history apps and then at you install, so you just click on this one, and then in here you can choose not install, click on it, and then in here you can see many apps on install at your phone. So that's how to see install app in your Play Store. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy YouTube content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.